In this video, I will show you how to reset your Paystack account password. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you download and install Paystack Merchant app on your Android phone or iPhone. So for everyone using Android phone, go to Play Store right here, open up Play Store, then go ahead and click on search app and type in Paystack. Then all you have to do is to make sure you download and install Paystack Merchant. After the successful download and install, click on open. Then the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you simply click on forgot password right here. Enter your Paystack register mail address. Click on send reset link. Send. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and exit from here. Then you want to make sure you go to your Paystack Gmail or Yahoo or whatever mail you use in Paystack. So here we go, the mail is arrived. Open up my Gmail right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the mail response right here. Then here you go. You want to make sure you click on reset my password. Then go ahead and enter your new password right here. Confirm your new password. Then go ahead and click on change password. Password successfully set. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and log in back to your Paystack account. You can either log in on the web or better still, you can log in on the app.